it has been a week since my last upload. If you know that video, I'll show it to you right here anyways. So I'm sorry guys if I haven't been active lately. I'm sorry if I haven't been able to upload quite much, quite frequently. There's actually a lot of reasons why I haven't been active and I haven't been able to upload for quite a while. So the first one being I'm busy and my family is busy, so busy kaming pamilya. Lalo pat ngayon, napaparami ng bigay na shifts sa akin ng manager namin. So masaya naman ako doon, at least hindi ako naboboard sa bahay. Pero yun nga, hindi na rin ako masyado nakagawa ng video contents, vlogs and stuff. At the same time, kung sakali mang wala akong pasok at si mother at si father ko may pasok, ginagawa ko yung mga gawaing bahay dito para pag uuwi sila, hindi na sila mag-aabala pa, hindi na sila uuwing may gagawin pa, may isipin pa sa bahay. So para naman may nagagawa rin ako at the same time, para naman natutumbasan ko yung ginagawa nilang trabaho. Yan talaga, because that's what families do to each other. They help each other out. Pangalawa is that lately I've been feeling a little homesick. Lalo pat ngayon, magpapasko. Usually sanay kaming magpasko sa Pilipinas, magtitipon-tipon together with our family, reunion kumbaga, nagdidiwang together, nagsasalo-salo. Basically kung ano-anong mga ginagawa namin during Christmas traditions na ginagawa namin nasa Pilipinas pa kami. So I miss those kinds of stuff. I mean, at least kompleto kami family, pero iba pa rin kasi talaga pag Pasko ang Pilipino, hindi ba? Literal na madarama mo ang Kapaskuhan. And yeah, like I said, a little lost, a little unmotivated. Ewan ko ba, kasi there's this one point in our lives na kumbaga bigla na lang tayong mawawala ng gana. Bigla na lang tayong manghihina, bigla na lang tayong mawawalan ng interest sa mga ginagawa natin. Well, as much as I like to do this kind of thing, it suddenly hits you the least you expected it to be. Kumbaga, hindi mo na lang inaasahan, bigla mo na lang mararamdaman yon bukas, sa isang araw, a week after, we don't know, we never know. But yeah, I mean, lahat naman siguro tayo nakarelate sa mga ganung bagay. Bigla na lang mawawala ng interest, biglang mawawala ng gana, mawawala ng motivation, biglang tatama rin gumawa ng kung ano-ano mga bagay na lagi naman natin ginagawa, yung mga interest natin sa buhay. To be honest with you, as of now, while making this video, I'm still feeling a little uninterested, unmotivated. Well, because what I'm doing right here is a commitment. It's basically an obligation for you guys. It's not that you are responsible for it, but it's my idea to share my experience, to share everything I've been going through here in Canada, everything happening in my life here in Canada. So it's kind of my responsibility, but I do have to make this to share with you guys. And for you guys, in case if you're wondering what has been going on with me during the past days, weeks, and here I am, still alive, still fighting, still kicking. Pero kanina lang, na-realize ko, napaka-unexpected talaga ng mga bagay, biruin mo. May mga bagay na hindi natin inaasahang mangyayari, pero nangyari. May mga bagay din namang gustong-gusto nating mangyari, pero kahit anong gawin natin, kahit anong effort natin, hindi magawang mangyari. It's weird. It is unbelievable at some point. Minsan naman, parang napipilitan na lang din tayong gawin yung mga bagay na hindi naman natin gusto. Or in some other cases, gusto nating nag-explore, gusto nating nagdi-discover ng new things, gusto nating lumabas ng mga comfort zones natin, which is good. And those things that I realized woke me up, made me feel my spirit again, gave me the motivation that I was looking for. I crawled back to where I am right now. Hindi rin naman kasi natin maiwasang maligaw sa direction natin gustong puntahan. Kumbaga, problems, struggles will enter your life, but it doesn't mean you'll stop there. It doesn't mean there's no way for you to get back up. It doesn't mean there's no way for you to be alive again, to fight it. And what I did, with the help of my parents, with the help of my friends, with the help of the people that I meet online, with the help of the people that I meet wherever I go, I built that motivation once again. It's a start at least for you to get back up again, for you para ma-inspire, ma-motivate ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, sumusuporta sa'yo, nagmamahal sa'yo. Basically, may papayo ko lang sa inyo. Whenever you're feeling something unusual, whenever you're feeling lonely, lost, unmotivated, hopeless perhaps. Isipin mo yung mga taong naniniwala sa'yo, sumusuporta sa'yo, nagmamahal sa'yo. Isipin mo rin kung bakit ka nag-start in the first place in doing this. Because why would you start in the first place if you'll just give up eventually? Day by day, unti-unti naman tayong babangon, lumalaban, nagkakaroon ng motivation, nagkakaroon ng fighting spirit upang magpatuloy sa ating daily lives. There isn't really much for me to share in this video, but I just want to let you know what's been going on with me during the past days, weeks that I haven't been active and uploading lately. No matter ano man ang mangyari, mawalan ka man ng motivation, inspiration, dumating man sa point na maging unmotivated na ang nararamdaman mo, just think about the people around you. Everyone who's been by your side, everyone who's been supporting you, showing love for you. That's how you will get your motivation, your inspiration, your drive back again. At kung na-homesick ka man, which is a lot of people usually feel, since nasa ibang bansa sila at iniwan nila sa kanilang home country ang mga mahal nila sa buhay, always check each other out. Kahit online, kahit usap lang, as long as may communication pa rin sa inyo, don't forget to check each other out. Since some of us might be fighting our own battles, better to check up on each other and make each other feel better as much as possible. That would be all for this video, and if you did like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share it to everyone else who's been feeling the same way just like I did, just like we did, just like the most of us did. And I just want you to remember that there's always a reason why everything happens in the first place. That's all, and goodbye.